In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload XLS files in free Canva, whether you're managing a big project, tracking tasks, or organizing data. Bringing your Excel files directly into Canva can make designing spreadsheets and visuals a lot smoother and more visually appealing. Let's dive in and go through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to Canva's homepage, https www.canva.com, and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see Canva's home dashboard in front of you, teeming with design possibilities. Next, look towards the left side menu and find the plus Create button. Click on it to start a new project. This is where you can kick off the process of integrating your Excel data into Canva. After clicking on plus Create, navigate down the list on the left menu and click on Sheets. This is Canva's tool for creating spreadsheet-like documents. With the Sheets section open, you should see a blank sheet or canvas in front of you. Click on this canvas to begin working within Canva's spreadsheet interface. Once you're set up there, you need to grab the data you wish to import from your Excel file. Open up your Excel document, highlight the cells containing the data you need, and then copy it to your clipboard. A simple Ctrl+C on your keyboard or a right-click to select Copy will do the trick. Having copied your data, return to Canva's sheet area. You want to start by right-clicking on the very first cell where you aim to paste your data. A menu will pop up with various options. Select Paste Special from this menu. It's important here to click on Values Only. Doing so ensures that no unwanted formatting or formulas from Excel interfere with your Canva sheet. Now, some may prefer an alternative method where you actually upload the entire Excel file instead of pasting data manually. For this, you would again go to that left side menu and click on the plus Create button. Hover down through the options until you find Upload. Click on this, then choose Upload Files and select your XLS file directly from your computer. Keep an eye on the upload progress. It might take a moment depending on the file size. Once your file is uploaded successfully, it should appear in your Canva files list. Simply click on the uploaded Excel file to import it directly into Canva. This way, you have all your data right where you need it to begin or continue your designs. And there you have it, 2 straightforward methods to make Excel data a part of your Canva projects. I hope this guide proves helpful as you enhance your design capabilities. Thanks for watching.